Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn what to do when your iPhone 7 won't enter DFU mode. I guess you might be using DFU mode to resolve system issues but have a problem in entering that status. You're not alone. DFU mode, which stands for Device Firmware Upgrade Mode, means booting up an Apple device without loading the operating system or bootloader. With it, users can let the devices contact iTunes or Finder and trigger a restore when they encounter problems. If you find your iPhone 7 won't go into DFU mode, it can be due to wrong button presses, dirty charging port, non-certified cable or incompatible computer, broken buttons and so on. Regarding these factors, we've come up with a series of troubleshooting steps that are worth trying. So, just keep watching to see what to do when you can't enter DFU mode on iPhone 7. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Attempt the correct way to enter DFU mode. Indeed, there is no official file showing users how to enter DFU mode. So, we walked through the forum then attempted all the potential ways. Finally, we found a tested and tried technique to get into DFU mode on an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus safely. This has gotten several positive feedback from users. Here's a step-by-step guide. On your Windows or Mac OS computer, open iTunes or Finder. Use a USB cable to connect your phone to the computer. Then, hold down both the power button on the right and volume down button together. After 8 seconds, let go of the power button while still holding the volume down button. When the phone screen stays black and the program on the computer tells you it detects a device in recovery mode, then let go of the button and you've entered DFU mode. If you see the Apple logo showing up, it means that you press the power button too long and all you need to do is to let the phone boot up then try again. Now, just go to the computer and do a restore as required. Step 2. Force restart iPhone 7 to refresh the system. If your device is unresponsive, it's advised to do a force restart first to refresh the operating system before going into the DFU mode. Here's the tutorial. Hold both the power button on the right and volume down button on the left together for at least 10 seconds. When the Apple logo pops up, release both buttons. After your device boots up, try to follow the instructions in Step 1 correctly again and see if you can get iPhone 7 to enter DFU mode this time. Step 3. Clean the charging port then retry. If you find iPhone 7 isn't entering DFU mode because it never gets detected by the computer even though the screen is black, then there might be something wrong with the connection. There are many elements being in charge of the connection. Let's start by checking the iPhone 7's charging port. Shine a flashlight into the charging port at the bottom of your device. Take a look carefully inside to see if any dust, hair, or other objects are there. If any, use a soft and dry brush to clean away any dirt gently. Once done, plug it into a power. If it can charge, then it means the charging port is working. Attempt to put iPhone 7 into DFU mode now to see if it works. Step 4. Switch the cable or computer. iPhone 7 still doesn't go into DFU mode after cleaning the charging port. Then, your next step is to inspect the cable and the computer. Unplug the cable and take a look at it. If there is any visible damage on the surface, it could stop your iPhone 7 from entering DFU mode and consider switching another known good cord. If the cable is in good condition, then check the computer. Note that only Windows and Mac OS computers are compatible with iTunes or Finder and support your device to enter DFU mode. If you're using others, the computer won't detect your device and all you see will be the Apple logo appear and phone boots up instead. Also, it's advised to update your computer to its latest version of the operating system. Step 5. Put the iPhone 7 into recovery mode. If you still fail, try the recovery mode method. It's a little bit easier than DFU mode, allowing you to update or restore the phone to fix potential system issues. Here's how to fix iPhone 7 not entering DFU mode by using the recovery mode. On the Windows or Mac computer, open iTunes, Finder or Apple Devices app. Note that Finder is only available on a Mac computer running Mac OS Catalina 10.15 or later. Then, connect your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus to the computer with wire. To enter recovery mode, press your phone's power button and volume down button together until the restore screen appears. If you mistakenly release buttons when you see the Apple logo, then just repeat the steps to try again. Now head to the computer and locate the application window, where a dialog box with Update and Restore button should pop up. You can click the Update button first to fix the phone issues without data loss. If it won't work, just enter recovery mode again and click the Restore button to do a reset. Hope now your device boots up successfully and can be used normally. Step 6. Bring the device to a repair center. Have tried all the steps but your issue is still not solved? Then, your last resort should be to reach out to the official service center. As you've ruled out the software-related problems, going to the repair center helps to figure out if there is any problem with the hardware components on iPhone 7 causing it not to enter DFU mode. If you've bought Apple Care Plus and the problem is covered, then you might get repairs for free. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 7 that won't go into DFU mode. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.